Let's get it. Guys, this is my life. Water just spilled everywhere, bro.
Really? Oh, they're not bad. They're not bad. Oh, man.
Thank you.
That's all love, huh?
Yeah. Hey, you. Yeah, you. You ready? Where is it, Coach Cam? Gas.
I was like, whatever you have, I'm definitely not eating it.
Come on.
Chips in the bag.
Where's the... Huh? Where's the check-in for Southwest? American. Oh. I never been here before.
We just flew.
No, I don't care. I didn't fly. I walked to Washington.
Girl. I actually have no doubt.
Bro, let me see. Take another bite of that bagel. That bagel was hella hard. Are you ready to take on Sonoma?
Are you ready to take on Sonoma?
We'll see. No, I'm really fun. I'm feeling like I just want to cruise through the airport right now. So, yeah. Guys, we made it through TSA. Good morning, guys. If this is your guys' first time ever watching. Good morning, guys. If this is your guys' first time ever watching my channel, make sure that you guys press the subscribe button. Make sure that you guys have your guys' post notification bell turned on. It's key. Make sure that you guys are always tuned in tonight. Vlogs, you dig what I'm saying. Don't forget there's 13 reasons why you should be grateful today, and there's 13 reasons why you guys should be great today. Today, we're traveling to Oakland, then to Sonoma. We play Sonoma tomorrow. So I just wanted to bring you guys along. I didn't do an intro just yet, but yeah, I just got done taking that Gunther and dropping the kids off at the pool. So I decided to make an intro while I'm still in the bathroom. And yeah, so I'll see y'all in the next clip. Water! Let's get it! Bro, why are you walking like that? What you doing, boy? Guys, this is my life. Water just spilled everywhere, bro. Fuck. Alright, y'all, we made it to Oakland. We made it to Oakland, baby. Y'all, it's jumping out here. Look, tail open. It's jumping out here, though. I ain't even gonna hold you. My pants are still wet, bro. On some sad stuff. Oakland Essentials, okay? Oh, the team is all the way back. It's just us three. Sugar cookies? Alright. Wipe your camera, bro.
No, a camera is good.
Good.
Me?
I'll pop a stud on here.
Slut.
And a trophy this year. They just had a screen. Like this weekend, like today.
Look at the water. They're trying to go get the cars right now. So some people are just sitting outside. But yeah. Oh.
You scared me.
Huh?
That's where we're dropping.
I thought it would be a little closer. Well, did you fall?
No, I didn't fall.
Perfect.
You know what?
It's close enough. I'll give you permission to look at me. I said I didn't give you permission to look at me.
I did. Your mama did.
Murder. Please, man.
You said there's a murder alarm?
That's essentially that's like the holy crap alarm. That's what that sounds like.
Yeah, no, it's like,
I thought the same thing. I thought like Amber Alert or something like that.
yeah, I was like every time it vibrates, it's like, damn, like that was like, you want the whole world to know, you know what I mean?
Guys, we made it to Salesian College Prep. I need to get my suitcase out. Yay. I think you should. Do you need your bag? What? It's my vlog. Do you want to say hi?
No, talking about what is it? What's the look?
Oh, no, it's put in my luggage, so I just took it out. I'm gonna put it in my backpack. Yeah, guys, this is Salesian. Hey, gang boy. Salesian. It's so cold in here. We're all wearing sweats. Except
Like, no one just said anything? This
Somebody
guy is
hit him and
real.
just
No,
took
took
off.
out the whole side of the car.
I don't like it over here.
All right,
Okay, well.
me neither.
we get to pick water and chips.
Football there. They had wrestling. They had a bunch of stuff.
Big West and the Whack are the week.
NIL, all that stuff.
Oh,
She's
yeah.
not. I don't see.
And I'm sure that stuff
transferring
really
people.
matters when you go to D1. I'm sure so.
No,
Going
Big
to the
West.
NFL, more people get.
Like the WAC was all
more
that in
kids go
Chicago,
from
so-
Ohio State, Michigan to
Really?
the NFL.
Chicago State's in
than USC,
Now?
West Coast.
They just recently got in.
That's interesting.
Been in for a while.
Oh, I'm
That's
thinking of
what all the schools are
WCC.
leaving.
My
They're
bad.
all leaving the Pac-12.
West Coast got it.
Yeah, I was
They
like,
said we're gonna make this great.
yeah, okay. You're talking about
They're
really? Oh, they're not bad.
not bad.
They got money.
They have a lot of money. What's the religious school like near like
Near where?
it's a D1 school that just
Oh, Cal Baptist.
Cal Baptist.
They're not bad either. They're not good, but they're not bad.
The school the most so Red Canyon's the most money. Seattle using it. They're getting out.
They're getting out.
Yeah, they're getting out.
Where are they going?
Where they're going. I think they might actually be joining the WCC
Nice.
because they belong in it. They're an expensive private school.
Oh, really?
In a nice city on the West Coast. I always thought that was the worst conference. If you told me you were playing that conference, I was like, okay, that was the last option.
They got sharks in there, bro.
Oakland Birds?
They got sharks in that water.
No, they don't.
Yeah, there is.
There's a
Sharks? Well, we would be dead anyway, so.
They ain't got no shark.
Alright, y'all, we made it to our hotel. This our little hotel. This our little get down spot. You do what I'm saying. I'm gonna go outside and show y'all what some good lighting from that lamp. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna go outside and show y'all what the rest of the hotel is looking like. So make sure y'all stay tuned for that. And then after that, I'm probably gonna close out the video. I love you guys so much. But yeah, I'm gonna get lit. Oh, it's not zooming in. But yeah. It's a review.
$10,000.
I cannot film right now. Sadly. I'm recording it. I don't care. Alright, y'all. This hotel is just booming. Like what? Doubletree. It's huge and nice. We gotta go get our food from outside. So somewhere over there. It's big as fuck in here. I ain't even gonna hold you. Got my scout in my hand. I'm gonna walk out and get some food. You did. You did, dig. Me.
Oh man,
Thank you.
that's all love, huh?
Yeah. Alright, guys. So I'm actually in bed now. I hope that you guys enjoyed today's vlog. Make sure that you guys press the subscribe button. Make sure that you guys like, comment, and make sure that you guys turn guys post notification bell so you guys notified. Whoa, the phone almost fell. Make sure that you guys press the notification bell so you guys notified every single time your girl posts. I hope that you guys enjoyed today's vlog. Again, today has been one for the books. I'm exhausted. I have to be up in literally 7 hours to kind of do it all over again, but backwards. So we have a game, and then we'll travel, go back to school tomorrow. So make sure you guys stay tuned for that vlog. I love you guys. I'm almost at 500 subscribers. I'm sure when I post this, I'll be at 500 subscribers. The shorts do amazing, so I love you guys. Thanks for all the support from that. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next vlog.